In 2023, investment is still really low towards dedicated Black-facing campaigns. And there's quite a bit of an opportunity that's left on the table thereby. It's just like anything else. If you're not speaking directly with an audience, they may not feel like your message is for them. And so if you want to change the game for your brands, if you want to let them know that, yes, our products are for you, you speak with them, not at them.
Because they have been openly honest.
At General Motors, we have dedicated media budgets towards Black consumers. Our media goals are very aggressive, and we're one of the few companies who have not only publicly made those goals, but we've stuck by them. So we've targeted, Black-owned media in consumer segments, but we also take note of how we're delivering against all diverse segments, because for us, it's all about inclusivity. Our aspiration is to be the most inclusive company in the world. And for us, it's all about everybody in. We want to make sure that everybody sees themselves in our products, and everybody's locking arms to drive our products into the all-electric future.
If we think about what Freddie said earlier, this is about that 2%.
If you don't pass the smell test, it actually is going to cost you more money to better your reputation in the marketplace than if you had just followed through with what you said in the first place. So I think, consumers are savvy. They are investigating things, and they're sharing what they've investigated with other consumers. It's wildfire.
We talked about our target customer.
We have to evolve with the technology, and we have to make sure that the technology, as it evolves, is inclusive. And so when you talk about AI and some of these new age kind of approaches, we want to make sure that AI is being mindful of how it's implementing, again, across diverse consumers, right? We're not here to say that we want to usurp Black consumers, right? We're trying to leverage the power that they already have, and that they're willing to work with companies and consumer groups to bring to the light. So as long as tech obeys that rule too, I think we'll be in good shape.